Hello guys, in this video I will show how to disable right click in Windows 11. So very simple and basic way. Firstly, open local group policy editor. Then here expand administrative templates. Then click on all settings. Now here click on extend. Then click on settings. So guys, you will see this alphabet order. Scroll down and find out remove. So in this remove series, find out this remove file explorer's default context menu. Right click on it and click on edit. Here select enabled, then click on apply, then OK. So this way you can disable and remove right click in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. And guys, if you don't have this local group policy editor, so click on description link. You can enable and add this group policy editor in your Windows Home version. And please comment this method work for you or not.